Welcome to a new video from Ria Electronic. My name is Frank.
My name is Daniel.
We're having wonderful weather today here at Rulamart in the Thuringia forest. It's teeth-chatteringly cold.
Let's make our way inside.
Since 1991, Rulamart has been devoted to special purpose machine building, automation and assembly technology. Today, exactly 30 years later, the company employs more than 1,200 people and is a real hidden champion from the heart of the Republic. They specialize in personalization of identification documents and packaging technology. But the company also plays an important role in the area of medical technology. Rulamart machines are distributed all around the world. But what does Rulamart have to do with FFP2 masks?
Unfortunately, COVID-19 still has Germany tight within its grip. Even if you don't see this video until the middle of April, right now it is beginning of February and we are in the midst of a lockdown. Unfortunately, there are still people who think COVID-19 is a conspiracy or a myth. Frank and I don't see it that way. We think it is indisputable that an FFP2 mask provides better protection than, for example, a normal closed face covering or simple surgical mask. The need for this protective equipment, particularly for our caregivers, rescue workers and even normal citizens, is greater than ever. The challenge? The manufacturing of such a low-cost product as well as the production machines for this have been mostly handled by Asian companies for many years.
Rulamart has recognized this need and has designed and developed a powerful machine, which is manufactured here at this location. This lays the foundation for bringing production of FFP2 masks back to Germany. To meet the high standards for a C-certified mask, Rulamart, just like other machine manufacturers in this sector, depends on rear-jet coating and marking technology. The machines are built here on site, and we have a technical center for carrying out final commissioning of the machines. Now, let's take a look at how the production of FFP2 mask works and what requires attention.
We are currently in the assembly hall of Rulamart. This is where they manufacture the high-tech machines that we want to talk about today. Hello Eric, what is your job at Rulamart?
I work in sales and I'm responsible for selling mask-making machines.
Everyone is talking about FFP2 now, but what exactly does FFP2 mean?
FFP stands for filtering phase piece. The 2 in this case means 6% of the aerosols and particles with a maximum size of 0.6 microns must be filtered and the masks are allowed to have a maximum leakage of 11%.
I've read that manufacturing this type of mask involves the use of various non-woven fabrics. What quality characteristics are there?
Our customers use a wide variety of materials. 3 to 6 different layers. We can have a look at that right at the machine. Here we are in the input area of the machine, where the various fabrics are unwound. First, there are the non-woven and spun-bonded fabrics, and of course the core, the melt-blown, a statically charged synthetic non-woven fabric that is responsible for filtering the particles and aerosols.
Before a mask is finished, a bit more still has to be done. How many masks a day can you manufacture with this machine?
About 40 masks per minute, which in a 3-shift system means about 50,000 masks per day.
What is it about the quality product made in Germany that sets it apart from Asian merchandise, which is frequently sold at very high prices?
What is particularly important is that the meltblown material, the filter fabric, is tested by certified authorities to verify its filtration performance. And of course, the manufacturing location, which want to satisfy their quality requirements.
Certification is a very important step. Why?
For example, DEKRA in Germany tests the filter performance, how the masks fit, leakage and pliability of nose wire. Marking also plays a significant role.
I don't see marking yet in this area.
We can have a look at that in the next module.
Why is marking so important?
It is important that the customer is able to clearly read the marking. Good density, large letters, about 6 mm. It must be printed very cleanly.
Why did Roulamart decide on ReaJet?
ReaJet has been a supplier for us for many years. We are able to integrate the system quickly and there are short delivery times. ReaJet is very flexible and the integration went very smoothly.
Furthermore, ReaJet has the appropriate certified inks that are important in production of masks. How did Roulamart, as a special purpose machine builder, get into this area of masks?
As a company, we noticed in 2019-20 that the order situation was in decline and we had to act. Our subsidiary in China already had the machine concept finished. We just had to optimize it and bring it in line with the German or European standard for machinery. Shortly after the first quotation, we observed that it was very well received on the market.
What must I, as a consumer, pay attention to when I want to purchase FFP2 masks?
The marking is important. The CE marking behind or below that there must be a 4-digit approval number, an EN test number, and the manufacturer.
Frank, I don't know about you, but for me this concludes an exciting day. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown Germany that we as an industrial nation are in fact extremely dependent on low-wage countries. But this has been recognized by smart machine builders and they have oriented their production toward protective equipment. Incidentally, Roulamart was one of the first to do so. ReaJet has also recognized the needs and the new requirements of our customers. Roulamart gave us a marking task. We developed and delivered an out-of-the-box solution.
We are a full-range supplier in the field of coding and marking headquartered in Germany. We have the hardware and software expertise in-house, which enables us to flexibly respond to such requirements. We do this because we want to and because we can. If you, too, are facing new coding and marking requirements, we gladly come with it. And this year, this is really no help at all. Thank you. We'll see you again soon. Please stay healthy and tune in again for Coding and Marking Professionals on Site.